State legislatures across the country have followed Arkansas and become the center of the battle over abortion since the Supreme Court's Dobbs decision.
And that battle played out in Arizona and Florida today. As Skylar Henry shows us, these decisions are expected to echo in the November presidential election.
The Arizona Senate narrowly repealed a near total ban on abortions that had been on the books since 1864. The motion only passed after two Republicans flipped to join Democrats in voting to repeal it.
We have two Republicans voting with the Democrats to repeal an abortion ban while saying I'm pro-life.
The repeal of the law is just the latest battle over abortion rights in the state, but it's not the last. Arizona voters will decide for themselves in November on a state constitutional amendment enshrining the right to abortion.
We need to get to the point where government is out of any reproductive health care choices. This is the first step to getting us there, but we have to pass this ballot initiative in November in order to get government out of those choices.
Abortion rights will also be on the ballot in Florida, and the Biden campaign believes those measures will help bring Democratic-friendly voters to the polls. Vice President Kamala Harris campaigned on abortion rights in Florida Wednesday, the same day that state's ban on abortions after 6 weeks took effect.
An abortion ban so extreme it applies before many women even know they are pregnant.
Florida's law includes exceptions for rape, incest, fetal abnormalities, and life of the mother.
We think we have a good law, a compassionate law, a moral law.
What's happening in Arizona and Florida could have a big impact on who becomes the next president. A new CBS News poll shows a majority of voters in the presidential swing states such as Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin are closely watching what happens in the abortion battles of Arizona and Florida. Skylar Henry, CBS News, the White House.